recognize that riff? If you do, then you're in for a treat, because here it is, Midnight Rider. This is a lesson, not a performance. This is a lesson just so you can see how to play it, how I play it, how OhioJimbo plays it, and maybe it'll work out for you. So we're going to show you that little riff in the beginning, which is really, really easy. See that? Very simple. And I'll show you on the chords here where we play this how to. So the song starts in D. The song is going to play in D, a G, and a C. That's what you'll need to get through this song. The rest of it is going to be technique in your right hand here. Well, if you're playing left-handed in your left hand, but wherever you've got the pick, because you need to have this. Here's the coolest part about this. Don't be afraid to hit the exact notes. If you're just playing this, it's going to be recognizable. But if you can get that first trill in there, that, if you hear that, is a cool lead in, because people go, oh, I recognize that song. It is a cool song. And it starts in D. Vocally challenging for the reason that it's either too low or too high. One of the two. So, if you're going to sing it, as a matter of fact, a little shout out here. Molly, why don't you sing the high part, okay? There you go. See, right here, you get into that part, it comes down to that rim, that strum right here. Now, I'm lifting up on these. I'm keeping my ring finger in place, but these two fingers I'm coming off on. Just enough to give it that. Now, that is the strings. I'm clear up here on the 5th string, and I'm hitting on the 5th string to the 3rd fret, and then hammer on, go. See it? And go to the 4th string and hit it twice. So it's really simple. That's the only place you have is just that finger, your middle finger, on that 3rd fret of the 5th string. That's the only place where you're going to have to hit into it. So now here's where it changes. But I'm not going to let it, there, to G, catch me, Lord. Down to C, not going to let them catch the Midnight Rider. It's an easy song to play, and each time you get into one of those choruses, you can just, I got one more silver dollar, and I'm not going to let him catch me, Lord, not going to let him catch the Midnight Rider. Play it through like that. Now, the reason I'm not, well, there's 2 reasons why I'm not singing. Number 1, I'm not a singer, barely a guitar player, but I just want to show you how to have fun doing this. And the next part about this is, I don't want any copyright issues. Those copyright people come in and they say, oh, that was copyright. I'm honored that it even sounded like the song at all, in any way, shape, or form. But I'm just here to show you how to strum it on your back porch, how to sit out by the campfire and just play these songs. So have a little bit of fun with it. That's about all I can show you with that part of it. The rest of it's kind of a jam with Jimmy. But I will tell you, this will be one of those lessons that you'll find in our Campfire Fridays. If you haven't discovered that yet, going over to my playlist, click on Campfire Fridays, and you're going to see sets of 3 songs that'll be joining together to let you add 3 songs at a time to your campfire repertoire. This will be one of them in one of the upcoming sets. But for now, this is Midnight Rider, and it's a fun song to play, recognizable, and I think some people will sing along with you. So until next time, this is OhioJimbo, and if I don't see you out there, I'll see you in here.